Hello, FGF. Good afternoon. Good evening. Thanks sa prize. Thanks sa games. Nag-enjoy kami sa grupo nyo. Kay Madam Red Butterfly. Kay Head John. Head Admin John Martin. Ganda, thank you. And to all admins there in FGF, thank you. Kay co-members, enjoy lang po tayo. Pagtanggal stress. Ano pa ba?
Basta, thank you po sa prize. Yun.
Give it
At saka,
up.
keep it up, FGF. Good job. Kasi, at salamat sa prizes.
Kahit gaano pa kami ka-busy, number one pa rin kayo sa amin. Kaya salamat. At wala na akong masabi. I'm proud. We proud. As a member of FGF. And that's all.
Bye.
Bye.